Hello everyone and welcome to a Cryptospective community. Today we're going to be talking about TRX price action expectations based on technical analysis. Please feel free to join our Discord community group on the links provided in the description. Also, you may follow us on Steemit. So, knowing that for the past several days, TRX has been seeing an increase in price due to the main event of launching on the mainnet, we decided to do a little bit of a technical analysis. Now, before everybody gets too hyped about the mainnet, the news is already priced in, and this is the reason why the price had been, seeing a significant increase for the past couple of days. But that increase, as we have seen previously on the 28th of February, has done the same thing. It's increased and then decrease down. So there is a pattern that is repeating itself, an increase in price and then a decrease, an increase then a decrease. So it's still generally in a downtrend. It is Mainnets is not really a major thing that can move the market significantly. People need a product. TRX is already priced in. The mainnet is already priced in. The news had been there already. Until there is an actual product and there is a major product or a major partnership, then we can see the major move for TRX. However, let's look at things from a technical analysis perspective. Now, if we look at the weekly chart, the price this week has increased significantly. It's retracing back a little bit to a newly formed moving average, the slow moving average. Now, moving back to the daily chart, let me try and spot the resistance and support levels. We do certainly have a very strong resistance level at around 465 satoshis. Let me draw that line here. So this had been acting as a support level. We can see here 1 touch, 2 touch, 3, 4. So let me move to the candlestick pattern so we can see that better. See? These are all the touches that's been reached. It's reached on the 20th of March. It's reached a high of 473 satoshis and retraced back. Now, the thing that catches my attention is that since a long time, the price hasn't closed and maintained above both moving averages. As we can see before, it went up then broke down in the second day. Here also it broke up then broke the second day, but here it maintained above the slow moving average, and there seems to be a crossing at the fast and slow moving average. Now, however, still the price still has not been able to break and close above 466 support level. What I'm trying to say here is that the mainnet launching has already been priced in when the news came. The countdown is just a way to increase the hype. We're seeing posts from the foundation each and every day counting down for the mainnet launching, but we've seen so many coins before that did their mainnet launching, and that really didn't change anything in the price because it's already a priced in news. So for people who are expecting much on TRX, there could be a hype because it has a very high trading volume. There could be a hype, but it would be probably short-lived until there is an actual product and there's an actual reason to change in the price, knowing that TRX and XRP have a very similar moving pattern in their technical analysis charts. So any hype that might happen on TRX will just be temporarily, knowing that it's already it's already priced in. Now, the only thing that would tell me that the price is really going up is if the price closes above 466 levels, retests it as a support and breaks above it. And also, if on the weekly chart by the end of this week, if we see that this candle has closed above the moving average, tested it and went back up, also that could be a good sign. But for the meantime, general trend for TRX is still downwards. There might be signals for a change in direction, but it's still not yet concrete. If you are already in the trade and you've been holding for a long time, you just might as well keep holding. But if you're planning to get into TRX, just don't get fooled by the overall hype that's happening on TRX, because it may either go up and continue going up, or it may just temporarily hype and then come down back to the downtrend. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.